Okay? So that is the second, little more sophisticated version of the same protocol. Okay? Questions? So I will start spending less and less time on the logic because I do want you to understand, but not exactly know the logic unless you are doing a program. So those who are doing the program would have to understand this stepwise and know the details. But essentially what's happening is that the repeat request event can come in, and then there's also this thing about can send. How do you decide can send? That depends on the acknowledgement. If the acknowledgement does not come in and you're pumping in data, there's a problem. So there's that additional variable now that is added beyond that. So I do want you to understand that. That's set initially as true, but that unlike this while true which keeps looping, this flag would be set to false when there is a problem. Cannot send unless acknowledgement is received. So what happens is, this is the simplest mechanism. What is happening is, you get the data from the network layer, you go ahead and make a frame, you send the frame, and then set right away, after sending a single frame, set it to false. So that means it's not going to send another frame till it gets the acknowledgement. Okay, it's just going to sit, and if acknowledgement never comes, then it just sits there. Now, of course, that's going to be bad too, and we'll see, we'll make it more sophisticated later on. But right now, that takes care of the receiver side, and what happens here is, as soon as the notification of arrival, that means acknowledgement, comes in, then it goes ahead and says, okay, frame has been received. That's the acknowledgement frame. Not much of processing is to be done in the simplest case, but except for the fact that you just set it true. But if it is more things, for example, you're broadcasting and you're expecting acknowledgement for 3 or 4 different sources, then you go ahead and do something more complicated. But here it's just simply receive that,